up there.
Sweet. Let me get out of your way. OMG.
Isn't that cool? So, out of all these colors and all these knobs and all these switches, what do you think makes this go fast? Those? That's exactly right.
Sweet.
That's excellent. What do you think makes this go up?
Thank you. Have a good night, sir.
Think that one? That one makes this go up? What do you think? Think of something more?
Thank you.
Put your hands right here.
Good night.
That helps us go up. That right
Bye.
there.
Thanks, ma'am.
Isn't that cool?
Thanks. Have a good
This
night,
helps us
sir.
go down. You can hear it when we're heading in for Chicago. You can hear the rumble going on outside the airplane. That's something called our speed brakes. So we can slow the airplane down while we're descending for the airport.
Awesome.
Pretty cool, huh? Any other questions? Nothing?
No questions?
Nothing at all. All right.
Well, can you take a picture with the pilot? Can you stand next to him, Duca? Can you stand next to the pilot, please? Pretty, please. He's like, please don't embarrass
Are you
me
guys
anymore,
home?
Mom. No, actually, we're on our way to Texas.
Oh, we're in Texas.
San Antonio.
Okay. I was born and raised in Houston.
Oh, really? Lucky you.
Take a
Say
picture?
cheese, Duca. Can I get the deuces? Okay, you're going to be super cool. I'm sorry. Yeah, super cool. I'll take that. Thank you